Welcome to the Permanent School of Ultrasound in Obstetrics and Gynecology. We are proud to present Fetal Anomaly Scan, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to second trimester ultrasound, a complete online course designed for clinicians and sonographers who want to strengthen their practical approach to prenatal ultrasound. This training package includes 5 structured video tutorials, guiding you through a systematic and effective evaluation of fetal anatomy during the second trimester. The course follows a clear step-by-step methodology, helping you understand not only what to look for, but also how to look. From the fetal brain and face to the heart, thorax, abdomen, spine, limbs, placenta, uterine, cervix, and circulation. Each topic is presented with a practical clinical perspective, focused on image acquisition, anatomical assessment, and everyday diagnostic performance. With PSUOG Online Learning, you can access the course anytime, anywhere, making it ideal for continuous professional development at your own pace. Whether you are reviewing key concepts or refining your scanning strategy, this course is designed to support flexible, high-quality learning wherever you are. After successfully completing our online test, participants will receive their certificate of completion in Fetal Anomaly Scan. This is more than an online video course. It is a structured learning experience designed to strengthen knowledge, improve confidence, and support excellence in prenatal ultrasound practice. Join PSUOG Online Learning today and take the next step in your professional career in fetal ultrasound. Apply now and start your learning journey.